What's up, guys? It's your boy here. Today we're gonna be restoring this headlight to look from this to this, and we're gonna be using my 2003 Ford Mustang GT Premium, and we're also gonna be using Meguiar's Plastx clear plastic cleaner and polish. Now let's get into it.
Where are you?
I'm right here, boy. Alright, so what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to apply some of this bad boy stuff on your headlight like this. Gotta get it all up in there, and use a sponge or something to just spread her all around real good, and make sure it does not touch any painted part of your car. Keep that in mind. It may take a few applications, but once you get it all rubbed in nice, take a microfiber cloth and just wipe that bad boy away. Like all your hopes and dreams, am I right? I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks 100 times better. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. And as always, see you guys next time.